loading screen. Alright. What's so cool about this game? Oh my god. Oh my god. I cannot believe this. Still Halloween? Oh my god. I bet this person is probably from like Australia or something. And why do you give me some free vehicles? Thanks, I guess. Why do I have so many free vehicles? Damn! Damn! I have so many free vehicles. Okay, that's a good start about this, but Halloween is just over. I have to watch an ad to get this vehicle, or I can spend 40 jack-o'-lanterns to get this super scary pickup. You know what, let's try this Lada, I guess. Arena War, Car Wars, Halloween, Multiplayer, Plane, Ramp. Oh, damn, there's so many game modes to choose. Let's pick Arena, I guess. I'm not good at car crash games, but I can try at least. Okay, this is still the same sound. We all know these games. Bro, where the heck is the opponent? Ooh, I got some drifts. Okay, not gonna lie, the drifts kind of slaps, not gonna lie. Bro, why there's a random tank in there? Why there's a random tank in there? Okay. Do I have to crash to get some of these coins? I hope so. How did I lose 10% of the damage? That doesn't make any sense. Boom. Okay, we need to crash something because this vehicle is way too drifty. Bro, is this game calling me a drift master? Oh my god. Thank you, I guess. Okay, I don't know why there's a tank in there. Alright, anyways. Bro, why there's 6 people on this small car? Crash into tank. Oh my god. That almost destroys it. Respawn. Okay, there we go. We can respawn. Awesome. I think the only way to destroy is going on a spinning fan. Or not, because it takes real damage. Alright. How am I gonna destroy this? Oh, I see this. Stop drifting. Bro, what? 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 Okay, this vehicle is way too short. I better check the next one. Okay, so some reason it doesn't even just like crashed at all. How am I gonna crash? Bro, might be the worst crash game ever. Like, it's impossible to crash. At least there's more on the back, but it just is too short. I finally found one. There we go. Okay, why I just bumped? Destroy. Try again. No. There we go. Whoa. Thank you. 1,100. But why is it I have 10,000? Is this game stupid? I have no idea. Let's go Arena Wars. Deathmatch, time battle, 200 score, 5 kills. Let's do 5 kills, I guess. Alright, I have the police Lada, I guess. Russian police car. I think someone is from Russia. I'm not sure. Woo! Ow. Ow. Bro, how are you about to kill these vehicles? There's like no one. The heck, there's like no one in this game. Gosh, this might be the worst game ever. I don't know why they give it like 5 stars for this.